Good morning. In the earlier lecture, we talked about subroutine, subprogram, a short article. Next article is about the call statement. This statement is used to call the subroutine in a main program, and therefore this statement is known as call statement. This is again a short article. We need at the most 15 minutes to complete this, because I am going to explain what is call statement, what is the general format to use call statement, what is the syntax for call statement, for what purpose it is used. Then I will write one subroutine subprogram, and after that I will use this subroutine subprogram in some main program that will complete the call statement. Of course, we can go for many more programs, but I want you to practice the programs so that you will get expertise in constructing the programs for various tasks in Fortran. The syntax of call subroutine is this one. Call sname. What is sname? Name of the subroutine. Arguments. If more than one arguments, separated by commas. Before going to use this call statement, let me first write a subroutine subprogram. This is a subroutine subprogram to find factorial of a number. Factorial of a number. Arguments: the number n whose factorial is to be found. Fn, the factorial of number n. The variable is j is equal to 1. Do loop is used here. Do 20 statement number of last statement of do loop. I is equal to 1 comma n. 1 initial value of I, n final value of I, which is n whose factorial is to be found. j is equal to j into I. Continue. This will be continued till this j becomes factorial of n. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 into and so on up to n. That is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 into n minus 6 into n minus 7 and so on up to 1. The same thing is done here and factorial of n is found here. This fact is nothing but fact n comma f n. This factorial of n is assigned to the subroutine fact. Return and this is the subroutine subprogram. Let us use this subroutine subprogram in some main program to find NCR. We have written this program in the earlier lecture. Now I am using the same program, I am writing the same program for NCR with slightly different ideas of call statement and subroutine subprogram. Let me see how to find this NCR. So this is a program to find NCR, where you know NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. See how the program is written. Comment: program to calculate NCR. You know the formula. All these are integers, integer n, r, fn, fnr, fr. Whenever we find factorial of a number, it is always integer. N is integer number, this r is also integer, and therefore these factorials are also integer. Here subroutine is defined, subroutine fact n comma fn. J is equal to 1, do 30, I is equal to 1 comma n, do loop 30, the line number of last statement of do loop, I running variable, initial value n, final value, initial value 1, final value n, increment is omitted, so its default value will be 1. Every time I will be incremented by 1. J is equal to j into I. To get factorial of n, the formula written is j is equal to j into I. Continue. This loop will be continued till I exceeds n. When I exceeds n, the control will leave the loop and will assign value of j, which is factorial of n, to fact, the subroutine fact. Return end. Main program. Write asterisk comma asterisk, it is the comment statement. Type n and r. Enter values of n and r. Read asterisk input device is default input device for the line number of format statement n r, and the format used for this is to I5. Call fact n comma fn. So when you write this call fact n comma fn, the control goes to this subroutine and finds the value of n factorial, and this factorial is equal to j, which is n factorial, is provided here. When you call fact r comma fr, factorial of r is, the control will go back to the subroutine, okay, up to the end, and it will call the factorial of r. Here we will get factorial of r here. Third call. Whenever third call statement is executed, again the control goes to this subroutine, okay, and it is worked out up to end, and here the value of factorial of n minus r as fnr is provided. After getting n factorial, n minus r factorial and r factorial, it is easy to find NCR, because NCR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That is, NCR is equal to, this is n factorial divided by, in this square bracket, n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR is found. Then just print this. Write asterisk the default output device comma 6, the line number of the format statement NCR. This is format statement. While writing, while printing the value of NCR, 3 places, 3 columns are skipped, kept blank, and after that the value of NCR is written in the form of F12.4. Stop and n. This is a simple program written for the subroutine subprogram written using subroutine subprogram and call statement. You see, it has become somewhat bigger. It might be made bigger than this, but I don't want to make it much bigger. This is very simple and written in such a way that you can easily understand this example, this program. Once you understood this program, it is easy to write any program using subroutine subprograms and call statements. Hope you got it. This is about the use of call statement and the subroutine subprogram. Thank you.